I've seen Deepika, of course, very up close and personal. I've acted with her. She's a part of my film, and I would wish her the best. And you get a little biased because she's worked with me. Sonam is also, I've seen her for years. She's Anil's daughter, and she's very pretty and hardworking. And I was, I think, the first person who saw her once at Black premiere and said, she should be an actress. And whatever little I've seen of the film on television, I'm sure there's much more to the film, and it would be a good film, and she would have performed well. I think she's really stunning also. So it's not in my place. It would look a little, one, patronizing if I talk about newcomers. Second, it would be unfair because one of the actresses is from my film. And obviously, personally, I would wish her to be the newcomer of the year. But I would like to say it in a more general, nice sense that it doesn't make a difference who is the best newcomer of the year. What makes a difference is that Sonam and Deepika have started out, and I hope lots and lots of love to them, and I hope lots and lots of good things to them, and lots of good films to them, and inshallah both of them are really, really talented. And
Best Actor in a Supporting Role, Female. Chak De Girls. Chak De India.
I was very clear when the film started that I would be nice in the film. The story is very good. Shimit, Adi, Jaideep, Yashji, everybody will put their best foot forward. We had the guts to make a film like this. But just guts wouldn't make a film work. What would make the film work is the 16 new girls in the film.
I think 2007 was just rocking for us because our film release, and what a way to begin 2008. We're actually nominated, the entire team is nominated. I think it's fascinating.
It's a first nomination for all of us, and everyone thought it was bizarre that 16 of us were nominated in one category, but yeah, we're really excited. It's our first film for most of us and our first nomination as well, so thank you.
Best Film. Chak De India.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि दोनों नॉमिनेटेड हैं. एक मैंने प्रोड्यूस की है और एक मेरे लाइक फैमिली हैज़ प्रोड्यूस, यस जी. सो अगर सवाल ये है कि मैं किससे खुश होऊंगा कि कौन सी फिल्म जीते, तो मुझे तो दोनों से खुशी होगी. जैसा मैंने कहा कि मुझको साल के काम जो मैंने काम किया होता है, जिस फिल्मों में काम किया होता है और इस साल की जो प्रोड्यूस भी की हैं, तो मुझे खुशी इस बात की होती है कि पूरा साल अच्छा रहा. एक नाम लेकर, एक प्लेटफॉर्म लेकर हम उसको अवार्ड दे देते हैं, तो जिसको भी मिलेगा मुझे यही लगेगा कि जिस फिल्म को भी मिलेगा, आई एम श्योर और भी फिल्में होंगी, सिर्फ चक दे और ओम शांति ओम नहीं, तो जिस फिल्म को भी अवार्ड मिलेगा, अगर वो मेरी होगी, जौन सी भी उनमें से मेरी होगी, मुझे खुशी होगी, क्योंकि उसमें कहीं ना कहीं पर मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग आएगा कि मेरा कुछ ना कुछ उसमें हिस्सा है.
Oh, it's wonderful. I mean, I think all the people who worked on it, I think it's a crew effort. A film is a team effort. I mean, I think it's always great that everybody in the team gets recognized.
I feel Chak De has many more layers as a movie. It's not just a sports film. It has so many more. It's about the man's struggle and the teamwork and all that stuff. So I think it's definitely more special.
Farah Khan. Om Shanti Om.
Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
I think she's easily one of the most talented directors. Easygoing, simple, straightforward, shoots straight from the hip and the lip many times, and she deserves all accolades that can be given to her, because also I think she's the only director in the world, a lady director, who makes such a hugely commercially viable cinema and has sensibility in it. It's got beauty, it's got color, it's got love, it's got song, music, romance, period. And she's very detailed, very hardworking. The most hardworking, the most talented, creative person I've come across in the film industry is Farah Khan.
Shimit Amin. Chak De India. Best Actor, Male. Shah Rukh Khan. Chak De India.
तो ये 70 मिनट खुदा भी तुमसे वापस नहीं मांगता.
I thank Nokia Star Screen Awards for nominating me for Chak De. It's a very special film. It's a special film to me as an actor. It's a film that makes me feel, after working years, that I have perhaps learned new nuances, new styling of acting, and you get an opportunity like this very seldom, where you feel you can act well, but of course you have to have a platform where you can do well. And I'm very proud of what I did in Chak De. I'm very proud of the film. I'm very proud of the girls. And I'm very thankful to Adi and Shimit and Jaideep and Yashji. And for giving me this opportunity, or thinking that I'm good enough to do such an important special film. I think long after my career is over, I will always hold Chak De as one of the most special films I've done as an actor.
It's kind of tough, but obviously Shah Rukh Khan is my ultimate favorite actor, and I think he was par excellence in Chak De India.
All I can say is that he has to get it. I think he was just outstanding. He's outdone himself.
We all know that he deserves it and he will get it.
Totally. So there's no, we don't want to say anything. We just want to say thank you to him anyways for making us look so good in the film. And congratulations, because I'm sure he's getting it.
I found Chini Kam very interesting. I thought Guru was really nice. Gandhi, my father, would be very interesting. I've seen one scene of Akshay screaming for his father down the street. And they're all good actors. They're very, very good actors. I mean, there's no questioning the fact that Amit Ji, of course, is god of acting. Abhishek has done, my wife saw the films, both of them, and she felt Akshay and Abhishek were fantastic in the films. So I can't really decide, and Shahid has come a long way, as an actor, and he's always been a good actor. He's always been a very, very powerful actor. So I think if any one of us gets it, I include myself, so it'll be good competing with Amit Ji and Akshay, because they are my contemporaries in a certain sense. But I think any one of us wins, it'll be an interesting award to be given to that person.